Have you ever felt like your mind is a tangled mess of thoughts? Like you can't make sense of your feelings and every little thing seems to trigger a wave of stress or anxiety? Maybe you've been trying to push through, hoping the weight will lift on its own, but it never seems to get better. Instead, it feels like you're carrying more and more each day, and it's exhausting. We all go through tough times, and it's normal to feel overwhelmed, but sometimes we don't have the tools to manage everything we're carrying. That's where journaling can step in, offering a simple yet powerful solution for your mental health. Imagine for a moment that you had a safe space where you could unload everything weighing on you. A place where there's no judgment, no expectations, just the freedom to express what's in your heart and mind. That's exactly what journaling can do. It's not just about writing down your day-to-day thoughts. It's about giving yourself permission to be honest with yourself and let go of the clutter in your mind. One of the main reasons journaling is so effective for mental health is because it allows you to process your thoughts and emotions. When you're stuck in your head, it's easy to feel lost. The thoughts keep circling and the feelings grow bigger and bigger, often without any clear explanation. You might not know why you're feeling the way you are, or you might struggle to put those emotions into words. Journaling gives you that opportunity. By putting pen to paper, you can slow down your mind, organize your thoughts, and begin to make sense of your feelings. It's like taking a deep breath after a long day, allowing you to clear your mind and understand your own emotions better. Sometimes all we need is to express how we feel without fear of being misunderstood or judged. Journaling is a safe space where you can write about the things that are hard to say out loud. Whether it's frustration with your job, worries about the future, or sadness over something you can't change, writing it down gives you a release. It's a way of saying, I'm here, and this is what I'm going through. And that in itself can feel incredibly freeing. Instead of keeping everything bottled up, you're allowing yourself to feel and process in your own time and space. But journaling isn't just about releasing negative emotions. It's also a tool for focusing on the positive. When we're stressed, it's easy to get caught up in the negativity around us. We fixate on everything that's going wrong, and that can make us feel stuck in a cycle of stress and anxiety. However, when you take the time to write down the things you're grateful for, you start to shift your mindset. It doesn't have to be anything big. Maybe it's something as simple as a nice cup of coffee in the morning, a warm conversation with a friend, or a beautiful sunset. By regularly journaling about these small moments, you begin to train your mind to notice the good, even on the hardest days. This shift in perspective can have a huge impact on your mental health, helping you feel more positive and grounded. Another powerful benefit of journaling is how it helps you cope with stress. Life can get overwhelming, and stress is something we all face. Whether it's the pressure of work, family, or just the demands of everyday life, stress can build up and feel like it's too much to handle. When you journal, you create a moment of calm in the chaos. It's a chance to step back, reflect, and process everything that's going on in your life. Writing down your worries can help you release them, taking away some of the mental load and making it easier to handle challenges with a clearer head. Journaling can also help you make sense of difficult experiences and emotions. For example, when you're grieving or dealing with a difficult breakup, it can feel impossible to make sense of the pain you're going through. The emotions are raw and intense, and it's hard to know where to start. But journaling offers a safe way to explore those feelings without the fear of saying the wrong thing or burdening others with your pain. It gives you a private space to reflect, process, and slowly heal. Over time, writing about these difficult emotions can help you come to terms with them and find a sense of closure. Journaling can be a form of emotional release. Have you ever noticed how much lighter you feel after a good cry? Sometimes, getting all the emotions out in one go helps you feel like a weight has been lifted. Journaling works similarly. When you write about your emotions, you release them from your mind and body, and that release can bring a sense of relief. It's like taking a mental load off your shoulders. The more you do it, the more you give yourself the space to heal, and the more you begin to feel in control of your emotions, rather than the other way around. Of course, journaling isn't just about emotional release. It's also about understanding yourself better. Have you ever written something down only to realize, wow, I didn't even know I was feeling that way? Sometimes the simple act of writing can bring hidden emotions or thoughts to the surface. By journaling, you can begin to uncover the underlying reasons behind your feelings and behaviors. This self-awareness is a powerful tool for growth and change. It helps you identify patterns in your life so you can make more informed decisions about how you respond to situations and how you take care of yourself. What's even more powerful about journaling is how it helps you track your progress. Sometimes when we're going through tough times, it feels like we're stuck in a never-ending cycle. However, journaling allows you to look back on your thoughts and experiences. As you read through your previous entries, you'll notice how far you've come. You'll see that even though things were difficult, you've made progress. This can give you a huge boost in confidence, reminding you that you have the strength to overcome challenges and keep moving forward. Now, you might be wondering, how do I get started with journaling? The great thing about journaling is that there's no right or wrong way to do it. You don't need to follow any strict rules or guidelines. The most important thing is that you make time for yourself to write. You can start small, maybe just a few sentences each day, writing about how you're feeling or something that happened during your day. Over time, you may find that journaling becomes a habit and you begin to write more regularly, reflecting on different aspects of your life. If you're not sure where to start, you can use prompts to help guide your writing. Some people like to write about what they're grateful for, while others might write about their goals, dreams, or challenges. It could also help to keep a section of your journal for positive affirmations, reminding yourself of your worth and strengths. The key is to make journaling a tool for self-expression, growth, and healing. In the end, journaling isn't just about writing down your thoughts. It's about giving yourself the space to process, reflect, and grow. It's about creating a space where you can be honest with yourself, release your emotions, and find clarity in your mind. By journaling, you not only take control of your mental health, but also start to understand yourself better, heal from past hurts, and build a more positive outlook on life. The next time you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed, grab a journal and give it a try. You may be surprised by how much lighter you feel after just a few minutes of writing. In the end, journaling isn't just a way to keep track of your day, it's a way to care for your mind and heart. So why not start today? Here's to your mental wellness, emotional healing, and peace of mind. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.